We know that building an e-commerce business is tough. If you're a first-time entrepreneur, you'll have to handle almost everything by yourself: marketing, product, design, HR, logistics, finance, etc. And that alone can derail many people's hopes of succeeding. But it is not impossible. With some grit, luck, and ingenious business marketing strategy, you too can join the ranks of Shopify stores that are making it. You can join the stores that are headlining the news for disrupting an industry, generating 7 to 8 figures in revenue, or just simply helping the owner live a life of comfort and happiness. In this video, we will take you through 3 of the most successful Shopify stores we know. We'll tell you why they're successful and try to dissect their marketing strategy so that you can replicate them and see if it works for your store. When her friend Christy passed away at the young age of 24 years old from cancer, Carissa Bodner was shaken. 24 is too young to take anyone's life away, let alone a girl who was the kindest and most compassionate human being Carissa had ever known. Inspired by her friend, Carissa, who already had a decade worth of experience in makeup and cosmetics, decided to start Thrive Cosmetics, a cosmetics company that donates one product to a woman in need for every product bought. Today, Thrive has an estimated revenue of $3.1 million and have donated more than $1 million to charity organizations like Mary's Place and Dress for Success. Thrive receives about 550,000 visitors per month. The reason for this is simple. Thrive is beauty with a purpose. With her touching backstory that inspired the company and the one-for-one model popularized by Tom's, Thrive is no longer just an e-commerce store. Thrive is a movement. A movement to empower patients with cancer. This is a movement that many Thrive customers are willing to get behind and spread the word about, which results in Thrive's discovery by direct traffic. Thrive also has a dedicated page on their website that explains how they give, with powerful, emotional quotes that pull on the heartstrings on anyone that reads it. What is the key takeaway for you? People don't just buy from companies, they want to buy from the person behind the company. They want to know your story. Figure out your story and start telling it on your website, social media, etc. The online food market is a market worth $3.5 billion. And UFoods, a Brisbane-based online food delivery company, is well primed to take advantage of that trend. So much so that in 2015, UFoods notoriously grew 5% to 10% week on week. In UFoods, sales grew over 3,846% in last 14 months. UFoods is receiving about approx 250,000 visitors per month to their site. Isn't it amazing? I can boil down the success of their referral marketing strategy to their referral program. UFoods uses referral candy, and their referral program is shown directly to anyone who visits the UFoods website. The copy "Get free meals" is compelling, after all, who doesn't want free meals? UFoods is pretty generous with their incentives, giving away a week's free, that's almost $100 in value given away per person. UFoods understands that a strong incentive is required to encourage people to share, and that evidently works, as UFoods' referral program is one of the most powerful aspects of their marketing machine. What is the key takeaway for you? A referral program is a powerful way to get more customers at low cost. Set one up quickly by using a tool like referral candy. ND Sleep is Canada's largest direct online-only mattress company. In an industry filled with larger-than-life claims, ND has succeeded. Not only that, anyone who wishes to buy an expensive mattress would definitely want to try it out. Yet, ND has managed to pull off the online-only model for a mattress company. In fact, they are so successful that they were heading for a $20 million revenue year in 2017. How did they do it? I think one of the biggest contributors to ND's success is the use of the free trial. As we know, free trials are a powerful growth tactic. Anyone who has tried out a software for 30 days or more and loved it will definitely become a customer. However, as a strategy, free trials were mostly done by software and apps, as it was easy to offer access and not lose money on the front end. Despite that, ND has managed to pull it off for a product company. While most companies would fear that they would lose their products to thieves and cheaters, ND doesn't care. In fact, Endy allows their potential customers to trial their mattresses for 100 nights. And the best part is, if you dislike the mattress after using it for 3 months, Endy would still take back the mattress and offer you a full refund. It's a no-lose situation for the customer and also showcases Endy's confidence in their own product. They know that anyone who has tried the Endy mattress for 3 months would love and would stick to it. And here's the kicker. It works. Endy has reported that it has one of the lowest rates of return in the mattress industry. What is the key takeaway for you? Build confidence in your product by offering a free trial or a testing phase for your products.
Gymshark Store was founded in 2012, but it started gaining popularity since 2016 and 17. Gymshark is majorly a fitness and apparel brand. They get nearly 4 million visitors per month on their website, which converts into $20 million in revenue per month. By doing a little bit more calculation, we found that Gymshark earns $5 per visitor on an average and make nearly $250 million in revenue every year. So, enough calculations. Let's talk about their strategy and key takeaways for you. When it comes to strategy, I found Gymshark's approach a really smart approach. They had vision and long-term goals. Hence they focused more on creating community. As a result, they have community of more than 13 million over different social media platforms, like Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, etc. They started collaborating with fitness athletes to promote their brand and products. They also run regular offers and special offers on special occasions like Black Friday. Having 3 different Instagram accounts was one of smartest strategy of Gymshark, which separates their audience on base of gender and interest. So, what are the key takeaway for you? The very first thing to learn from Gymshark is to build a community. If you are here for a long-term game, then must focus on building community. Other key takeaway is using of influencers if you can afford. It helps build trust among audience and makes website look more professional and premium. You should also run regular offers and sales, offer artificial discounts over products. Another key takeaway I want to sum up are free returns, fast deliveries, and simple and clean interface of website. These are few basic things which you need to take care of if you are into the business with a long-term dream.